before the United States began the Women's Olympic Hockey Tournament, coach Robb Stauber was asked about his team's sudden scoring drought. "There was only one way to fix it," he said, "and it was a simple recipe: put more discs on the network." The Americans took 20 minutes to get the message on Tuesday, but finally delivered what their coach wanted in a 5-0 victory over Russia's Olympic athletes. The United States managed only 7 shots on goal in an unequal first period, then buried the Russians with 24 shots and 3 goals in the second at the Kwandong Hockey Center. 2 of them came from forward Jocelyne Lamoureux-Davidson in a span of 6 seconds, a record for the 2 fastest goals of a man or woman in an Olympic hockey game. Gray Marvin of Warroad added a goal and an assist, and Hannah Brandt of Vadnais Heights scored in the third period when the Americans beat the Russians 50-13. The United States, now 2-0 in the tournament, will end the group game against Canada 2-0 on Thursday.